Nestled within the heart of the Netherlands lies a breathtaking destination that bursts into life each spring, as over 7 million tulips, daffodils and hyacinths bloom in a display of colour and fragrance. This Dutch wonderland, also known as the Garden of Europe, feels like stepping into a living painting and truly embodies the art of nature. Welcome to Keukenhof. In this comprehensive travel guide, we'll equip you with all the essential information and insider tips you need to make the most of your visit to Keukenhof. Keukenhof is open annually from late March to mid-May for approximately 8 weeks during the Dutch spring. To confirm the exact dates for the upcoming season, please visit their official website. We strongly recommend booking your tickets online in advance to avoid long queues and potential sellouts. If arriving in Amsterdam or Rotterdam, consider a combined ticket for train, bus and entry to Keukenhof. The park opens at 8 a.m. Arrive early to beat crowds and enjoy quieter gardens. Just beyond the main entrance, you'll encounter the captivating Oranje Nassau Pavilion. Step inside to be enchanted by a vibrant array of colors and exquisite floral arrangements. Keukenhof can be quite crowded, especially on weekends and holidays. For a more relaxed experience, consider visiting on a weekday. Explore the historical section of the garden, showcasing heirloom bulbs and flowers cultivated during the Dutch Golden Age. The weather can be unpredictable, so dress in layers. Wear comfortable shoes as you'll be doing a lot of walking. The Willem-Alexander Pavilion at Keukenhof is a must-visit, featuring stunning tulip displays and flower shows. Named after the Dutch king, it offers excellent photo ops and a chance to relax amidst vibrant blooms. Keukenhof is a photographer's dream. Come with your camera or phone fully charged. Within the pavilion, a sea of beautiful tulips unfolds, showcasing everything from classic reds and yellows to unique dual-colored and fringed varieties. The Willem-Alexander Pavilion offers both visual splendor and insights into tulip history and cultivation, with flower shows and exhibitions throughout the season. After exploring the pavilion, take a moment to relax in one of the seating areas surrounded by lush gardens and tulips. Keukenhof's pathways are designed to be both accessible and enjoyable, allowing visitors of all ages to explore the park with ease. The central area of the garden showcases gorgeously designed flower beds bursting with color, all maintained with sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Respect the flowers, stay on designated paths, and avoid picking or stepping on them. There's no wrong turn in Keukenhof. Every walkway leads to spectacular views and indescribable natural beauty, so wander away. To make the most of your visit, pick up a free map at the entrance and plan your route. Keukenhof is vast, and visiting without a plan can be overwhelming. As you stroll, you'll find art integrated into Keukenhof, with sculptures complementing the natural beauty and enhancing the garden's story, blending nature and art uniquely. Food and drink stalls are available throughout the park, but for a more relaxed and personal experience, consider bringing a picnic. The Windmill at Keukenhof is an iconic landmark that offers visitors a taste of traditional Dutch culture. With its impressive sails and historic design, it provides a unique photo opportunity. Climb the windmill for a magnificent panorama of vibrant tulip fields stretching to the horizon, or explore its inner workings to learn about the Netherlands' rich windmill history. And for an added adventure, consider a guided tour or scenic boat trip nearby to complete your Dutch experience. Next to the windmill, enjoy beautiful picnic gardens, scenic canals, and bridges. Relax in nearby seating areas or have a refreshment at a nearby cafe. Walk along the canal, past the pavilion, and you'll arrive at the Ornamental lake, home to the musical fountain and winding walkways lined with a rainbow of tulips. The lake, a central attraction surrounded by meticulously landscaped gardens and fragrant flowers, offers a serene escape for relaxation and photography. Relax beneath a shady tree, admire the dancing fountains, or stroll along the lakeside boardwalk. There's a variety of activities to enjoy here. Around the lake, you'll find various classic tulips such as double or peony, fringed, lily-flowered, parrot, triumph, and Darwin hybrid tulips. Be sure to take your time and explore this enchanting area. Take a stroll to the iconic white tulip bulb sculptures, one of the most photographed spots in the Keukenhof Gardens. Don't forget to snap a selfie while you're there. The Wilhelmina Pavilion at Keukenhof is a charming historic section with classic and modern elements. Enjoy its diverse plants, scenic views, art, and peaceful atmosphere. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. It helps us create more content like this. Additionally, the Wilhelmina section features restaurants and food stores where visitors can enjoy a variety of refreshments and local cuisine, making it a must-visit for tourists. Keukenhof showcases over 800 tulip varieties in a stunning array of colors, shapes and sizes, making it one of the most spectacular tulip exhibitions on the planet. So take your time exploring the garden. We encourage you to explore nearby attractions, especially the awe-inspiring tulip fields just outside the Keukenhof Garden. A bike tour is an excellent way to get around these beautiful farms. While biking near Keukenhof, follow bike paths, stay hydrated, and respect the farms by staying on designated paths. Just a 6-minute walk from Keukenhof, the historic Kasteel Keukenhof is a must-visit for tourists. This charming 17th century castle offers a glimpse into Dutch history and architecture. Entry to the castle grounds is free, although there may be charges for specific events or guided tours. Marvel at stunning sculptures nestled amidst lush gardens and stroll along meticulously crafted pathways winding through the woodlands. The castle grounds also feature a charming restaurant, a jungle gym for kids to play on, and farm animals for children to interact with, making it an ideal spot for families to enjoy an afternoon lunch. Nestled on the banks of the Zaanse River, just 30 minutes from Amsterdam, Zaanse Schans offers a delightful glimpse into traditional Dutch life. We advise taking a trip to Zaanse Schans to explore its beautifully preserved windmills, historic wooden houses, and artisan workshops. It's an open-air museum showcasing the Netherlands' industrial heritage. Don't miss the guided tours, where expert millers explain how these historic mills work.
We can make everything in a mill like this because we have a wind engine on top, and in the mill itself there is a machine to do something. And people try to make everything that they did in those times, in 1600, automatic by windmill. For instance, making paper, grinding corn for flour, for bread making gunpowder, grinding the carbon and the saltpeter for the gunpowder.
Discover the art of traditional Dutch clog-making at Zaanse Schans, home to the Netherlands' largest clog workshop. Immerse yourself in the rich history of clogs in Dutch culture and witness their enduring use on farms today. Step into the wooden shoe workshop of Zaanse Schans. Try on a few pairs of traditional Dutch clogs or take home a piece of Dutch history with a unique souvenir. Clog-making workshop offers a unique, hands-on experience with traditional Dutch craftsmanship. Watch as artisans transform wood into iconic klompen, or try carving your own miniature clog and even order a personalized pair. This engaging workshop is a must-visit for an authentic taste of Dutch culture. The Netherlands offers historic charm, modern culture, and natural beauty, with iconic attractions, canals, and scenic landscapes for all to enjoy.